Hi, this is CS Trades 101. Cameron Simpson. Thank you for joining me here today. I'm not a financial advisor or a broker. Strictly entertainment purposes only. So we're a couple minutes early here, 2 minutes early because I got a lot of stuff to do before work here. So I was going to set the thing a little bit early, but you only can set in 5-minute increments. So we'll have a look here. Just wait for a couple people to get online. I know that it's all set up for 5:08. So we're a minute or so ahead of time here. I just want to make sure the software is up and running this morning. And we'll go from there. We'll wait a couple minutes here. I'm just going to have a look at the portfolio. And I wanted to say thank you to all the subs that came on last night. We did a last night podcast for almost 2 hours last night, hour and a half or whatever. Good morning. Good morning, brother. How you doing? Just waiting for a couple more people. We got a couple people on here now. Okay. So yeah, last night, thanks to everybody that came on here last night. We shot a podcast last night for 2 hours. I think we started at 8 o'clock, 7:30. It was kind of late last night when I started, but we got a substantial... Yeah, go ahead. Fire me a question, my friend. That's what this is all about. I'm just gonna keep on. I'm just gonna keep on talking through some stuff on our scanner here. I'm gonna go through a couple of my stocks. We answer the questions, and I will answer them as we go because we got limited time this morning. I got to get to a safety meeting this morning for my work, so we're going to go cover AMC right away, and then we'll finish off with AMC. So AMC at $36. Is at when the market closed, it was 7.69%. Pre-market's $37.59. We're up $1.59. I called this last night. I said that this was going to go up. We're going to have a little bit of a go. I'm very surprised on a Friday. If you look back in history, every stock pretty much on the stock market on Fridays goes for crap. Okay, this is a very, very bullish sign. I just wanted to tell you that things are going to change probably in the next week or so. And I'm just going to read that message now that you got it up on the board. What's going to happen if they really sue the price Oh yeah, dude, our orders are protected. Where'd you buy through? Like, that's the thing. It's the broker you bought through. It has nothing to do with AMC, the company. Just so you guys know that. Like, mine's owned through TD, which is huge. It's a huge bank. They're in the States. They're all across the States. Every state in the States. They're in Canada. Every continent or every province, they call them. TD, you're good, bud. If you're through the TD, oh, fuck, you're styling, man. The TD bank would have to go bankrupt before they pay us. Think about that one. It's not going to happen, man. So companies like Robinhood and stuff like that, they're sketchy, but I've already said it before. I wouldn't be transferring, if it was me, I wouldn't be transferring shares around right now. Like, you could potentially screw yourself. You could put yourself in limbo, right? Where they stall it, and yeah, it's not good, my friends. I told people before that, like myself, I have friends that are in Robinhood. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Andrew. How you doing, brother? I'm TD in Canada. You're the same as me, my friend. We're good. So anyways, what we're doing, we're trying to get, if you watch my last couple of videos, that last video there, we're Wealthsimple Trades, Wealthsimple Brokers, and TD. I'm trying to get them to, I've already contacted them once. I've already got a settlement because the failure to deliver back when July. I can talk about this because I've already got it. I can't talk about numbers though. What happened was, remember when Robinhood and they all seized that, and AMC you couldn't buy, and GME you couldn't buy. They took it right off of the app, right? Remember, it was off for a couple of days. Well, I went after them for that. They gave me a cash settlement over the phone and put it right into my trader's account. I can't talk about it. You have to have screenshots to do it. I had all the screenshots and shit. Yeah, dude. Yeah, we can still sell, man. Don't worry. I'm Canadian too, dude. It's not gonna do nothing to us, okay? And if you're gonna buy through other stuff, if you Simple Trades, if you have a trading platform, or if you're using that broker, and if you don't, you want to, it's good to have a couple brokers, okay? Instead of just all one. I'm not saying that there's anything wrong with TD. Stick with TD if that's what you do. They're a little expensive though when you buy shares and sell. It's $10, $10, $10, $10, $10. It adds up fast, guys. So if you use Simple Trades and you haven't activated before, go into my description and get the code. You can get yourself up to $1,400 worth of free stocks. Yeah, no worry, man. That's what we're here about. We talked about this last night, that my chat bar doesn't go like this, and you have to pay me to talk to me, which is illegal as hell, because you're paying for a financial advice pretty much. Yeah, dude, that's what we're all about. If it comes to where the ticker thing goes, because we're getting up there in the subs now, if it starts rolling really fast, I can slow it down, okay? I can put slow-mo on, okay? And I'll always answer you guys. Woo? Is it Woo? W-U? I'm assuming it is. And if I'm saying it wrong over YouTube, I'm no disrespect, my friend. I don't recognize you. I always ask, are you one of my subs? And if not, hit the sub button. Because if you're talking to me, because I don't forget names, I know everybody's name on my channel that comes up on the chat bar or puts comments. I think that, didn't you rate? No, it was somebody else. Somebody put a comment on my wall saying, I'm only Lou's subscriber. I don't know what they meant by that. I answered them, well, why are you on my channel then? Like, it doesn't make sense. Like, why are you messaging me then? You should be messaging him. Good for you, brother. Welcome to the channel then. I always ask that. And I'm glad to meet you, right? Okay, so we're going to jump into some stuff because we got limited time today. I already went through ticker symbol AMC. We talked about this yesterday. It's actually going up even more. Okay, it was only at 3.89 when I woke up this morning. It's bouncing around 4% now. We're going to get a big... This could... I am not going to do a prediction on this because now some order delivers are getting put through. That is because of a couple of us YouTubers, okay? Lou versus Wall Street gets most of the recognition for it. I'm starting some shit up here. Oh, when I came back from my camping trip. Oh, buddy, yeah, I think I remember... A couple people did join after I came back from my camping trip. Somebody watched my camping trip video and subbed. I can't tell who it is, but you got one subscriber. See, we're so small of a channel that I notice things like that, right? And I like it small like that. So anyways, my friends, I'm going to jump in here and I'm going to say that the order delivers. I'm going to be contacting TD Bank Canada and demanding that we get ticket receipts for this because there's no fucking proof of our shares. We're still going to get paid, but I'm pretty sure we all own synthetics. If you bought in the last 4 or 5 months, which 3/4 of mine are synthetics, I want proof that those orders have been delivered to the stock market, that they're just not sitting in limbo. So we're going to work on that. And that's why the stock went up yesterday, guys, is because of Lou versus Wall Street. He put a couple million shares on the market that were actually delivered. Okay, that drove the price up. That probably fucked the hedgies and the banks. The banks are just as bad as the hedgies. They're letting this all go on. Okay, anyways, I'll be shooting more videos on that, my friends. I wanted to get into here. Let's dive in here. So we're going to cover, where is GME? What's going on here? Oh, there it is. Duh. Okay, GME. We were at 166.82. 0.48 in the red. It went up too because of this shit. The order for delivers have been put in for GME too, a couple million, which will do a huge bit of damage to the market in a good way. It'll jack the price up, right? Because as you know, this thing's been red. We had the biggest streak of red days ever since this thing was in beginning of COVID. Okay, so they've been chipping away. Things are changing now. I got investors at work that are in on them. I'm not going to mention any names. He's going to be opening some accounts today, so he's going to be putting money on AMC. I do my diligence, man. I get people as many as I can. TD has new emails. Hey, buddy, those emails, snapshot them for me and send them because I can use those. Send them to CS Trades. 101 at gmail.com, my friend. Woo? I would love that. If you can snapshot that and just email it to me, I will look into it, and it would help us out, especially the Canadian division up here. I look after the Canadian division. I look at pretty much after all of Canada when it comes to YouTubers that are dealing with this stuff. There's nobody that has balls to go after and to talk to these people. Everybody else, like most people, sit there and go fucking super chat. They'll sit there and super chat and make money, and they're pocketing all this money, but yet they don't really give a fuck about this. I do. I want to get paid. I want this thing to squeeze. Or they're all with Popcorn Man, Aaron. He's a fucking idiot, man. The guy's a fucking idiot. He collapsed at fucking... We were in a squeeze. We were just on the baby of a gamma squeeze. We were in a gamma squeeze. We were going to go into a short squeeze, and he collapsed it. Plus email added again. I don't understand what you're saying, my friend. Do you want me to say it again? It's CS Trades 101. It's in my description. It should be down below on one of my videos under contact info. It's CS Trades 101 at gmail.com. And any of you guys can contact me on there. You know that, right? Okay, so I got to get going through here, guys. I only got like about 3-4 minutes. Okay, so we're going to jump into costs here. Cost has gone up too. All these meme stocks are going to start going up a little bit. Okay, cost is 1927. Pre-market is 1963. 1.87 increase. Increase. We're not going to jump into AC Air Canada's because they don't do pre-market. I'm only doing pre-market stuff, but they're $24.98. It's a really good stock to buy. So Sundial, man. See, everything's going up. Everything's going up. Pre-market. Sundial's up. They're at 82, 1.16 in the green today. Crypto. I called it, guys. It's tanking again. If it was me, I can't tell you guys what to do. If it was me, I'm going to show your message. YouTube blocked it again, Andrew, because you said something. Oh, you said bullshit. Ooh. Yeah, why wouldn't those people buy shares with their money? Super chatting. I don't want your guys' fucking money. Like, it's a scam, dude. They're all getting sued. Don't worry. They've all gotten letters in the mail. Some of the biggest YouTubers are getting in shit and getting sued for that. That's a form of collecting money for financial advice. It's illegal as fuck. Okay, so anyways, it's a scam. They're all scams. They're all being bought and paid for by Aaron, by AMC owner. Okay, all those channels that come on to Fox News pays those guys to come on there and talk, man. Like, it's a big scam. Okay, so anyways, crypto, if it was me, I would stay away from this shit. The hedge funds and banks are liquidating this shit to pay for GME, AMC, BlackBerry, all the meme stocks that are going to squeeze. So we're not going to get into crypto that much. We just know that I'm staying away from it. If you own it, if I own some too, I'm just going to hold the shit. I'm not going to sell. I'm not going to take a loss on that shit, man. And I don't expect anybody else to. Okay, I can't give financial advice on that, but just listen to my story about myself and take it from there, my friends. You don't like our CEO? Nope, I don't. Sorry, I don't. He collapsed our squeeze already, buddy. I don't like him. He's all about money. I'm all about money. I can see through his bullshit. You like somebody that offers you stale popcorn, man? After you saved his company, he comes on there and says, guys, you get free stale popcorn? Dude, we should get free movie stubs and shit like that. We saved his fucking company. That's huge. The guy wouldn't have a job right now. I take that as an insult, man. Sorry. And he's a lying fucking piece of shit. Okay, and I can say that. I don't care. He's lying. I don't care about anything about what everybody says. That's my opinion. I'm allowed my own opinion. You guys can believe whatever you want. I know he's our CEO for AMC, but I'm in it for the money, man. I'm not in it. I'm not marrying the thing. I'm not sleeping with the guy. Like, I don't give a shit, right? He's in it for money. He's a CEO. His job is to protect that company. Please enumerate your reason and opinion. Well, he messed up the short squeeze, my friend. Go back when it was $72. He dumped 70 million shares in it like that and collapsed the whole thing. Why wouldn't he put in 5,000 shares and chip away and put a little bit at a time like a professional? Why did he collapse it like that? Because he's a greedy fucking person. Okay? Greed collapsed and screwed all of us apes. A lot of people can't see that, but I watched it happen. I've been doing this for years, man. This isn't my first rodeo, right? I've never been in a short squeeze before. This is my first short squeeze. I'm very transparent. I'm sorry, buddy, if that upsets you, but I'm very, very transparent, and I that's why I unlock all your messages. If you guys swear on there, I'll unlock it. You guys are entitled to your opinion on stuff. Like, I'm entitled to my opinion, right? There's a lot of people that disagree with me, but I just don't agree with it. And okay, MicroVision, I got to get through this. $14.08. It went up 2.33%, my friend. Oh, it just went down. Sorry about that. It went down to 1.89. Okay, so let's go back to AMC. Let's discuss this a bit. Okay, AMC's gone down a little bit in percentage. It's at 37. I'm going to show you some evidence here, my friend. Okay, let's get back here. Let's go to days. There we go. There's the day right there, my friend. When he dumped those shares in the market, within minutes, it ended up down here. Okay? That's why I'm upset. He screwed all of us over. We saved his company. Okay? There's a lot of people that back him. He has millions and millions of people backing him. Yes, he owns an awesome movie chain. It's awesome shit. Okay? But what he did, I'm just saying what he did as a person was very unprofessional, and it was oh, wrong one. Sorry, guys. That's only $7. I'm looking for the 77. Oh, fuck. Come on. I'm looking for the 77, guys. Where is it? Why is it on here? Oh, there it is, 72. See that? 72 collapse. That's what happened, man. As soon as he put those shares in the market, it dove. So that's just my opinion, brother. I know it hurts a lot of people's feelings. A lot of people get mad at me for saying that, but it's the truth. I wouldn't lie to you guys, man. I wouldn't lie to you. Okay? It's just that if he changes his attitude, yeah. And he pick and chooses his people. He has 4 people that he boasts, AMC, and you know the YouTubers. He doesn't let anybody else have a chance. They're bought and paid for. They get free hotel rooms. They get money, free shares. They get money deposited in their accounts from him. They get trips in jets. They get all that shit. What about the rest of us? What about the rest of us that support? Okay? I'm a little bitter. Yeah, I'm bitter, man. Not over that. I'm not jealous in that way. I'm just bitter over because these are normal people. Why doesn't everybody else get recognition? Why aren't you get recognition, my friend, from him? And you're not even entitled to popcorn because unless you're American, unless you go down there. Where did I get that info? What kind of info, my friend? Did he dump the shares in the market? Everybody knows that. He dumped 70 million shares right here. And I don't know what info. You have to be more clear. What info, my friend? But, hey, I got to cut it short here. But, dude, come on tomorrow morning. I want you to come on tomorrow morning and we'll talk more about this. That they get free hotels and stuff. Well, they do. They do, man. When Fox News, when you go onto the news hour, they pay for your room and accommodations and all that stuff. When they go to like say Aaron or whatever, they have executive suites. They own hotels and stuff that they have executive suites. They put people in. It's just how it is. Every company does it. If you go on Waldo, the show Waldo, if you go on to say Jerry Springer, they put you in a hotel room, free drinks, free. It's part of it's how the system works, man. It's just how it is, right? If you didn't know that, I'm sorry for you, my friend, but that is the truth. If you go on any of these big shows, they have executive suites that they send you to because they're not expecting you to pay for your own hotel if you're going to go on their show. Like, that doesn't make any sense, right? And usually you get flown in a private jet. But it was just an interview room. Which one, and money? Interview room. Like, I don't understand what you're saying. Oh, like, oh, if they're streaming, like they're restreaming. Okay, well that's different. But if they show up like Matt Coors got those are hotel rooms that they're in, man. Those are different hotel rooms. Matt was flown into town and stuff. I used to talk to Matt, but we don't talk anymore. Okay, I just have a different outlook on stuff. I know I'm rubbing you the wrong way here, my friend, but this is just my opinion, right? I really appreciate your opinion and stuff. I got to get going here, my friend. I got to get to work here. See, I work for my money. I'm not just sitting here doing live streams all day. Okay? Do some DD, my friends. Go on Google and look that stuff up. It's all over Google. Most of my subs know about all this stuff. We've already talked about it for hours because I do live streams for like 45 minutes sometimes when we talk about all this stuff. And I want you to send me that TD stuff, my friend. Send me that TD stuff because it's going to help us, okay? Let's just forget about this right now. Let's concentrate on what's going to help the Canadians, okay, that are all up here, all the investors that are in the AMC. If you have that information, that it will help so much, my friends. Anything that you can email me like that, because what I'm doing is compiling information together, and we're going to try to get these order delivers, okay? Like, I'm sorry, but Google, I want you to look at something. Just forget about all the political bullshit. Go back and do the research on $72.62 and see who dumped all the shares in to collapse this, okay? And you'll have a different opinion on that. Okay, I love you guys. You guys keep it real, okay? And you guys do. I love you guys, and I'm going to see you here tomorrow. What is it, the weekend? Oh, yeah, shit, it's already the weekend. Market's closed. What? We might do an after-hour one. I'm going to do lots of DD this weekend. I'm trying to put a good video together for you guys. We're going to see what the market does today. Yeah. So we'll try to do some stuff. I got a bunch of stuff to do, so I'm going to shoot some podcasts about my life again, not the stock market. You guys wanted that stuff, so we might go for a rip on a quad ride. We'll take my quad for a rip into the mountains or something, and I'll do some video footage for you guys. Okay, guys? Keep it real. Love you. Peace.